What is the most correct definition of the process of opsonization? So a simple description of this would be, imagine that you have, let's say, some sort of foreign invader in the body. Let's say that this is here, it's coming to attack, to cause illness or destruction in the body. It shouldn't be there, it needs to be destroyed. So imagine that it's given some sort of marker, some flag to alert the body, hey, this needs to be destroyed, this shouldn't be here. And imagine that when this happens, it's also given a sort of coating around the side that kind of makes it easy to be engulfed or chewed up so that it could be destroyed very easily. And this engulfment is called phagocytosis. So remember, there's certain cells that will engulf or sort of eat to destroy any foreign body that shouldn't be within the body for destruction to keep yourself safe and healthy. So now that we understand just the basic overview of what opsonization is, let's see which choice matches that. So it looks like option D says marking pathogens for destruction, and so far that's looking like a good choice because we noted that in the process of opsonization, we mark what shouldn't be there, we put the flag on top, and then we destroy it. So option D is looking good, so we could go with that for now. But let's review the other choices and why these would be incorrect. So option A, the activation of caspasis. Caspasis is an enzyme, so it's an enzyme that destroys cells through a process called apoptosis, which is programmed cell death, which programs the cell to destroy itself because it shouldn't be there. And although this is another process that ultimately leads to destruction, this is a different process because we're talking about the enzyme caspasis, not the whole process of opsonization where we had the flag to mark for destruction of the pathogen. So it may have a similar outcome, but it's a different process. So this would not be the definition of opsonization, and therefore we can eliminate option A. Option B is changing cellular membrane potential. So if you remember with your chemistry, how you have your positive and you have your negative, you have your charges for different cells. So this has to do with changing the charges, which again isn't related to this process of opsonization. So we could eliminate option B. And then option C is release of inflammatory substances during allergic reaction. And that's just an incorrect definition because opsonization is not the allergic reaction process. So we can eliminate option C. And so option D, marking pathogens for destructions, would be the correct choice.